humanitarian efforts in Brazil, Ricardo would now help thousands of his countrymen in Piabeta, where more humanitarian aid would be given for those in dire need. The constant aim of the Church of Christ since its first stop in Brazil, now an aid more intensified and diverse.
As I recall, 5 years ago when Care for Humanity was here, and today the Care for Humanity returns again in Brazil, I can see the same thankfulness and happiness of people because of the love and care that they felt from the Church of Christ.
Obrigado.
Nang pasimulan ang pinalawak na lingap sa mamamayan, Care for Humanity, mula sa isla, pumunta sa mga syudad, nakarating sa iba't ibang bansa, at ngayon, isa sa kontinente, sinasagawa ang lingap sa mamamayan o Care for Humanity dito sa South America.
A Fundação Felix Epsilon Banalo contribui para a criação de comunidades pacíficas e produtivas. O projeto Caridade para